Welcome to this week's edition of the Thomas Index Report. The medical industry is investing in machines that improve consistency, reliability, and, perhaps most importantly, precision. This includes robots that help surgeons perform more complex procedures with greater flexibility and control. With a rising demand for healthcare services over the last few years, the medical component manufacturing market size is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 4.7% from 2021 to 2028. The U.S. holds the world's largest medical device market and is an industry leader across sectors like biotechnology, telecommunications, microelectronics, and software development. As people are now living longer than ever before, the U.S. is advancing medical component manufacturing to meet the increased need for critical medical sectors that benefit aging populations. This includes orthopedics, surgical instruments and technologies, cardiovascular devices, diabetes services, and dental instruments and technologies. As such, companies, states, and researchers are tapping into the potential of precision machining to produce medical devices and instruments faster. For example, the machining company CNC Swiss utilizes CNC machining to design patient-specific parts with tolerances as small as 4 micrometers. And recently, the Greater Memphis Chamber acquired 2 buildings in Memphis, Tennessee, to boost the state's medical device manufacturing workforce. According to Jody Gilmore of the Greater Memphis Medical Device Council, the state especially needs skilled CNC machining and manufacturing experts. Robotic surgery is also altering the medical landscape by assisting doctors during procedures. Many robotic surgeries use the Da Vinci surgical system, the first robotic surgery device to gain FDA clearance. This system allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures including urology, gynecology, and general surgery with unparalleled accuracy. On the thomasnet.com platform, we see sourcing for medical machining up a massive 1,278% year over year and 735% quarter over quarter. We are specifically seeing a surge in sourcing activity for the medical industry in California, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, and Minnesota. I'm Anna Wells, and this is the Thomas Index Report.